Let's go, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're not watching this because you have roaches in your place like I did. But this is the unboxing of the Combat Max roach killing bait. So there's 8 of these bait stations. These are for large roaches. These actually worked really well. So all you gotta do is set them out. They come in, and I found a lot of roaches dead like that, like in that photo. Yeah, just want to show you all what it looks like. There are 2 packs of these. I already used the first pack, as you can see. There are 2 of these packs of 4 sealed individually. Well, packs of 4 sealed with this plastic. And you just set them out. 4 traps like this, just set them out like the instructions said, and it worked really well. So if you're interested, I dropped a link in the video description on where you can get these from. And let me know if these worked for you as well as they did for me in the comment section below. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Take care, and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.